Taxi operator shot by cop. Protests in Portmore. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A group of taxi operators on Tuesday morning staged a protest close to Grange Lee Boulevard, Portmore, St. Catherine, after a man said to be a transport operator was shot by a police officer during a reported confrontation. Details as to what led to the incident are still unclear, but sources claim that the members of a police team were carrying out an operation and signaled the driver of a motor car to stop on Dawkins Drive. Minutes later, an explosion was heard. Reports are that the taxi operator was found to be injured and was taken to the hospital where he was admitted. Other taxi operators have since withdrawn their service and are protesting the shooting.
Yeah. Yeah. The money that I found, he's okay. Okay. I'm not the man I work this man, I'm gonna feel good magic. Yeah.
During the publication of this report, the cops have provided more details on an incident in which a taxi operator was shot. The police said that a man was shot and injured during an operation in Portmore as he was driving a vehicle that was used to hit down a police traveling on a motorcycle in St. Catherine a few days ago. The head of the St. Catherine South Police Division, Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillip, said that at around 10:30 a.m. a team of officers went to an area close to Grange Lee Boulevard where they saw the vehicle and signaled the driver, said to be a taxi operator, was signaled to stop. The police said that a tussle ensued and the driver was shot and injured. The police said that also a police officer was also injured in the incident. The injured men were taken to hospital. The police have confirmed that one taxi operator was shot and injured by the police and that a policeman was also injured during the process. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.